Mabuhay mga kaibigan! Today, as we celebrate Philippine Independence Day, let's take a humorous but enlightening look at a topic close to our hearts: the impact of smoking on our beloved bodies and environment. Smoking, the not-so-patriotic pastime that leaves our body waving the white flag of surrender. With every puff, the smoke, the nicotine, and a whole battalion of chemicals march straight into our airways like unwanted invaders. Our lungs, mga kababayan, are like our national heroes, bravely facing off against the enemy forces of asthma, bronchitis, and COPD. But alas, even the bravest among us can't withstand the relentless assault of smoking's toxic troops. And what about our oral health, mga kaibigan? Smoking turns our pearly whites into a battleground of decay and confusion, where cavities and infections wage war on our once dazzling smiles. Say goodbye to fresh breath and hello to baduy breath. But wait, there's more. Our hearts, the beating drum of our Filipino spirit, fall victim to smoking's sneaky maneuvers, doubling the risks of heart attacks and stroke. And now, for the grand finale, cancer, the ultimate villain of this kababayan drama. Smoking transforms our body into battlegrounds of malignancy, where cancers of the mouth, throat, lung, and beyond wage of never-ending war on our health. And let's not forget our mommies. Smoking during pregnancy isn't just a misstep. It's like forgetting the lyrics to our national anthem. From low birth rate to early menopause, it's a journey of struggle and sacrifice for both mommies and babies. There's more. Secondhand smoke doesn't discriminate. It affects everyone, from our Marites tita next door to our precious pamangkin, leaving a trail of coughs and chaos in its wake. And let's not forget Mother Nature, mga kaibigan. Cigarette butts, like unwanted guests at a fiesta, litter our streets and waterways, polluting our environment. So mga kaibigan, as we celebrate our independence, let's also free ourselves from the shackles of smoking. Remember, there's nothing patriotic about polluting our bodies and our environment. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Subscribe and follow for more.